Is it on? I think it's on. Yo, what is up, guys? YTK here with. I say here with. They can't even hear you. They can't even hear you. Okay, freaking awesomeness right here. Yeah, swag, bro. Okay, it's time to kill some foes. With this holy water. Serious? Okay. I'm gonna freaking throw a freaking C4. No. How the hell do you throw a C4 again? Oh. What? Dude, I forgot how to get the C4 out. Dude, I'm controlling this with one hand. Give me a break. Okay. No, dude, I'm recording. I'm not masturbating. Okay. Enemies. Okay, no. I'm trying to no-scope some enemies right here. Yep. Hit marker. Assist! This is getting me mad. Well, let's see where I spawn next, guys. You see what I'm telling you? Shut the hell up. Well, guys, when I was trying to land on a boat, I committed suicide from throwing a freaking... Okay, let's go. Wait, what the hell? Oh, damn! Ooh, matalos! Ooh, we'll kill him. I'm done. Well, forget that noise that you just heard, guys. That was nothing. It was nothing. Well, guys, I gotta end it right here. Ever since that weird ending, YT Kid out, but at the end we're gonna hear YT. What's your name again? YT Angels, whatever, about what I just did. Okay, deuces.
Alright, guys, it's YT. YT is, like, killing now. Oh, especially if you got the quiet on your shit. Like, one of the weird ass Mark
Well, that was YT Angel's expression, guys. YT Kid out.